Today, I'll show you how to export a table from Google BigQuery to Google Cloud Storage. This process is incredibly useful for managing and analyzing your data effectively, especially when dealing with large data sets. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate through the steps smoothly. Let's get started by opening up your Google BigQuery console. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand Explorer panel. This is where you can find all your datasets and tables. You'll want to locate the specific table that you wish to export. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the table's details pane, providing you with more specific information about the data you're working with. Now, with the table details pane open, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll find the Export drop-down button, which is your gateway to transferring data from BigQuery to your preferred destination. Click on this Export button, and from the options that appear, select Export to GCS, which stands for Google Cloud Storage. This will prepare the system to let you configure your export settings. Next, a slide-out panel will appear on your screen, prompting you to configure the export settings. The first thing you need to do is set the GCS location. You have two options here. You can either click Browse to select your existing bucket, or if you know the path by heart, you can simply type it in. Remember, your path should include your bucket name followed by the file name, something like GS, my bucket name, folder, sales, data.csv. This structure is crucial for ensuring that your data is stored in the correct location within your cloud storage. Once you've set the location, it's time to choose the export format. BigQuery offers several options such as CSV, JSON, and Parquet. Each format has its own benefits, so choose the one that best suits your needs. For instance, CSV is widely used for its simplicity and compatibility with most data analysis tools, while Parquet is ideal for large datasets due to its efficient storage and retrieval capabilities. After selecting the format, consider whether you want to apply compression to your exported file. You have the choice between None, which leaves the file as raw text, and gzip, which compresses the file to save storage space. Compressing your files can be particularly useful if you're dealing with large datasets and want to optimize storage costs or enhance transfer speeds. Once you've configured all the necessary settings to your satisfaction, it's time for the final step. Simply click the Export button, and BigQuery will begin the process of transferring your data to Google Cloud Storage based on the specifications you've set. Depending on the size of your data, this process might take some time, so be patient. And that's it! You've successfully exported a table from Google BigQuery to Google Cloud Storage. This streamlined process enables you to manage your data more effectively and paves the way for more in-depth analysis or sharing with other stakeholders. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your data efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.